Trade Expo Indonesia 2020 goes digital. One of the largest virtual trade exhibition in Asia, Trade Expo Indonesia is now made easy and fast to access, presenting online real-time business opportunities in the way like its live event with facilities and infrastructure in three-dimension visual experience. Online visitors are welcome to take control of the navigation menu to explore routes across different halls. Take your opportunities to benefit from direct online interaction, export products and services. Every booth offers fine product, and each comes up with specification details to meet your needs. Sourcing for products are made as simple as clicks on the menu button of Hotspot. Online visitors can also join in the ongoing business, forum business matching, and many more sessions. Make sure you get prepared for more opportunities at Trade Expo Indonesia Virtual Exhibition 2020. Trade Expo Indonesia virtual event is proudly presented using Virtual Exhibition Indonesia engine system that is created by local Indonesian creator. Organized by Debindo Multi Adiswasti for the Ministry of Trade Republic of